because we have a summer nice ice cream. Today we're gonna do with some mango ice cream. So this is the puree, mango puree. Then we have here condensed milk. Then we have whipping cream, which we will whip with a mixer. And then I have here some gelatin. That's the taste, with some kind of taste, because once you mix all together, you add on the gelatin and you put in the freezer. It will hold better and it will not be that hard. So we put the bowl before in the fridge, so it's cold and so we can mix better. So that should be fine. You can see it holding. And I said before, I don't know if you hear me, I put a bowl, a mixing bowl, I put before, as I put the cream for overnight in the fridge, so I put the bowl overnight in the fridge, so it's easier for you to mix the cream, because now it's hot, so it's getting very hot as well, the bowl, so it's harder to mix the cream. So now we will mix together the mango puree. As you see, it's nice, it's soft, it's very tasty. Then I add on the condensed milk and we mix together, and then I add on the cream. So just I used to, when I was small kid, they sell this condensed milk, sweet milk, in some tube like a toothpaste. So we have the summer holiday, we take one outside and just suck it. It was amazing taste. And when I taste it now, it reminds me of my childhood. It wasn't healthy, but it was sweet. So now it's mixed. As you can see, the color is lighter, it's different. And now we just put it on the whipped cream, and then I will prepare the gelatin. It's one sachet is for 250 milliliters, so there are two. So for both sachets, or for sacks, packets, I will put, for two packets I will put around 300 milliliter water. So I will boiling, put it on, mix it, and I will add on to this mixed with the cream. So we now mixing all together. And you can do with different taste of ice cream, it's up to you. I did last time as well, banana ice cream. So I freeze it bananas, and then I just blitz them, and then I do this mix, and I add it on with the bananas and freeze it, and everybody love it. So you can do it different taste, you know, chocolate and mint, strawberries or mixed berries, orange, lemons. It's everything up to you. So I have here around 300 milliliter water. So I bring to the boil, then I mix this together, put it in the mix of ice cream, mix it together, and then I put in the forms and freeze it. So the gelatin is cooked. So now you don't have to worry if it's cold or hot. You can just put it in, because anyway the amount of cold stuff, it will cool down quickly. So we are now mixing it, it's already inside. it changed a little bit the color, but it's still nice mango ice cream. Okay, now it's time to put them in the form and just freeze it. So when this is, you have 3 nice, but you can all do it different tastes if you want. So thank you very much for watching my videos. Stay tuned for more videos and good luck.